In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit funds into Binance using their P2p trading feature. Now, if you're new to Binance or simply want a clear step-by-step guide to making your first deposit, you've come to the right place. We'll take it slow and clear so you can confidently manage your transactions. Let's dive right in. Start by opening up your Binance app. Once you're in, head right over to the trade section. You'll see a variety of options here, but what we're interested in is the P2p trading tab. So give that a tap. By using the P2P or peer-to-peer platform, you can trade directly with other users. It's a simple and secure way to convert your currency to crypto or the other way around. Next, you'll want to choose USDT, which stands for Tether. It's a staple stablecoin in the crypto world, meaning its value is tied to the US dollar, which makes it a popular choice for trades and transactions. Now let's set your currency and choose your preferred payment method. Whether you prefer using Gcash, a direct bank transfer, or another method, set it according to what's available in your region or what is most convenient for you. This setup ensures that your transaction aligns with your financial preferences and needs. Once you're all set with the payment method, the next step involves selecting a seller. Here's a tip. Always choose a trusted seller. Look for sellers with high ratings and positive feedback, as these indicators suggest reliability and efficiency. After selecting a suitable seller, enter the amount you want to transact and then tap on the place order button. This step officially initiates the transaction between you and the seller. Now, it's time to make your payment. Make the payment using the chosen method, and once that's done, promptly tap on Transferred Notify Seller. This action signals the seller that you've made the payment, and they can now start processing your order. The last step is all about waiting. Yes, patience comes into play here. You'll need to wait for the seller to confirm the payment and release the cryptocurrency into your P2P wallet. Once the transaction is complete and the funds have been released by the seller, you'll see them securely deposited into your P2P wallet on Binance. From there, you can choose to keep them in your wallet, trade them, or even convert them into other cryptocurrencies. And there you have it, a straightforward way to deposit funds on Binance using P2P trading. Remember, as with any financial transaction, ensuring you follow these steps carefully will help you manage your finances effectively. Thanks for watching and happy trading on Binance.